put the water in the gas. So what will happen? If we put the water on the gas, okay, what will happen? Just tell me. Anybody can tell me what happened? Tanishka? No? Ratunjay? Yes, you?
Evaporation.
Evaporation, yes. And what happens when we put the water on the gas stove? Okay, what happens? It starts boiling. What happens? It starts boiling, right? Right or not?
Yes.
Okay. And if we put the water into the refrigerator in cold temperature, what happens? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, freezing.
Freezing. That is freezing. And it convert into ice, right? So we can say that when we do these two things, okay, these are the physical change. What are these? What are these? Tell me.
Ma'am, physical change.
Yes, physical change of water. All right. So we will discuss first about physical change. All right. Change in the state of a substance due to change in its environment can be defined as physical change. So what is physical change? Can you tell me? Change in the state of the substance due to change in its environment. Okay, can be defined as physical change. If that's a mouthful for you, it's basically a physical change every time water, a liquid, as I show you, a water is a liquid, okay, and it starts freezing. All right, so it convert into ice. So it here is a change in the state of it. Water is a liquid state and ice is a tell me, ice is a red state. Here. The state of ice is, tell me, who will tell me the state of ice? When the water has liquid. So
Ma'am, solid.
solid. Yes, this is solid. Very good. It is solid. So the change in the states, we can say that the changes in the states are physical change. All right? Understood? Got my point or not? What is physical change? Now tell me about physical change in your words. Tanishka Aswal. What is physical change? In your words. Tell me something, Tanishka. Don't be quiet. Tell me. Anything? Turn on your mic first. Tanishka Aswal. I think if there is any problem. Okay, Shivoham, just tell me, beta. Tell me something.
Ma'am, changing of states.
Yes, changing of states. Very good, Ratunjay. Changing of states, we can say that is physical change. Yes, Shivoham, you tell me, beta. Tell me something.
Ma'am, changing on states.
Yes, changes of state. Now, if the water we will put on gas and it start boiling, okay, so what will happen? What will happen? Tell me.
The water the the water turn into gas.
Yes, the water turns into gas and it is called the evaporation. What is called? Evaporation. All right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
when the water is boiled,
Huh?
when the gas made, then the evaporation work.
Okay. Yes, Ritunjay, can you tell me something about evaporation? Hmm? Ritunjay Bundi?
Condensation is reverse of evaporation.
Yes, very good. Okay, now it's turn of Ritunjay. Tell me, Beta. I want to answer in a word for me. Okay? Yes, Ritunjay. Your camera is off, Ritunjay Bundi. You don't know the answer? You don't know? Okay, I will tell you. Evaporation. Evaporation is defined as the process by which liquids, when given external energy, mostly in the form of heat, convert into gases. It means when we give energy to a liquids, all right, it converts into gas. Okay, this process is called evaporation. Okay, and the example of evaporation is, what is the example of evaporation? Can you give? Boiling of water. Any other?
Then water vapor.
Water vapor. Very good. Any other? No. Okay. After this, let's copy it down. You want to copy it down? Now, the second topic is condensation. What is condensation? Condensation is defined as the process by which gases takes external energy, okay, reduce temperature to convert into liquid. Means it is the opposite of evaporation. In evaporation, liquid gets energy and they convert into gases, okay, but in condensation, gases get energy and they turn into liquids, okay. They both are opposite of each other, all right. So I can explain it by one example also, okay. Look, this is a stand here, okay. It is clear or not? Not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. You can see that this is a stand here, okay. Here is a burner, okay, and a beaker is put in here, okay. This is the beaker, okay, and it has water, okay. When it starts burning, when we burn it, okay, burn the gas, so what happens? The gas go to upstairs, okay, upside, and it is called evaporation. And by here it comes, it will cool and come down. It will call condensation. All right. If you cover the beaker, okay, and it will come to here. The gas will come to here, okay, and it will cool down. So what happened? It will let cool and then convert into water again. All right? You can make it. So now, application of evaporation in daily life. What are they? When food preservation is possible because of the process of evaporation. What is first? Food preservation is possible because of the process of evaporation. Okay? Wet clothes. When we put the wet clothes on the roof of our house, what will happen? Can you tell me? Hmm? Can you see? Do you see? Anytime. When we put the wet clothes, okay, in your roof, okay, what will happen? If there is too much sunshine is there, okay, sun is very hot and there are wet clothes. So what will happen? Huh? You don't know? Huh? Anybody of you, Tanishka and Rutunjay? No? It will start, gas will start going from here, like this. When sun is very hot. Okay, did you see or not? Anytime you see? Hmm? Just give me answer. Don't be quiet.
Yes, ma'am.
You see or not? You saw anytime?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is the
Yes,
example
ma'am.
of yes. This is the example of evaporation in our daily life. Again, rain on Earth is possible because of the evaporation of water bodies. Because if here is a river, okay, and sun is very hot here, okay, then what happens? Sunlight will go to the river water, okay, and it starts making gases, okay. Gases will go to the atmosphere, to the sky.
Ma'am, and make clouds.
Yes, very good. And it makes clouds, very good. And after they cool down,
Rain.
yes, they start raining. All right. So this is a very good example of evaporation. Okay. Rain is the best example of evaporation. All right. Any other example you can tell me? Hmm? Can you tell me any other example of it? Tell me, just think and tell me. You don't know? Okay, I will tell you. Salt is produced by the evaporation of saline waters obtained from various natural sources. Okay? You might have listened that there is salt in seawater. Okay? And seawater is salty. You listened or not? You know something about seawater? What is the taste of seawater? Hmm? That is salty. Okay? So the making of salt is also the process of evaporation. All right? Get my point? Get it here or not? Tell me. Get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will just move to condensation. All right? The second topic is condensation. So now just tell me something about condensation. Who will tell me? Just tell me fast. Example.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
So Tell me any example of daily life of condensation. What is the example of condensation? Can you tell me? No. I told you before it that this is the river. Okay. It's flowing and here is sunlight. Okay. When it comes to heat, okay, it starts evaporation. Okay. This is the process of evaporation. You know now. Okay. When it's going to here and it will make cloud. Okay. And when the cloud cool down, okay, and start raining. This is the example of what? Rain is the example of what? Tell me. This is the example of condensation. Yes, this is the example of condensation. Because evaporation is opposite of condensation. Okay, so this is the example. The making of clouds is the example of evaporation, but the rain is the example of condensation. Get my point or not? Do you get my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, second is pretty clouds themselves are due to condensation of various gases present in the atmosphere. All right. Condensation of breath on cold windows during winter months. Okay. When there are winter months of December and January, okay, which type of wind will come from your, which type of wind will come from your window? It is hot or cold?
Ma'am, cold.
Cold. So that is also the example of condensation. All right. Water droplets seen on the grass in early morning are also due to condensation. Okay. In the winters, you can see the water droplets. You can see on the grass. All right. So, difference between the condensation and evaporation. Okay. Just copy it down. All right. Difference between evaporation and condensation. What is this? Here is evaporation and here is condensation. All right. Can you tell me any example? Sorry, any difference? Any one difference of it? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, evaporation is the opposite of condensation.
Yes, very good. So in evaporation, liquid convert into gas.
Yes.
Very good. But in condensation, gas convert into
Liquid. And liquid.
very good. Okay. Then can you tell me second point? Can you tell me any other point? No, I will tell you. In it, molecules gain energy. All right. Because when water start boiling, it is gaining energy. Okay. But when when the gas cool down and convert into water, okay, what happens? Molecule loss energy. Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the third one is sorry. Third one is it occurs in a high temperature, right? Because when the boiling point is high, that's why evaporation done, right? So it occurs in a high temperature, but it occurs in a low temperature. Okay. Now you get the difference between them. Now you got the difference.